Right, going for a bike ride to the beach, fly the drone, and we'll get some footage. The next bit of footage is just going to be a time-lapse ride to the beach. So that was the drone footage and a bit of time lapse. Also, this is still mounted to my bike, so I'm moving the steering wheel. I don't know if that's in motion. Yeah, it is. So the drone's over there somewhere. I'll post the footage in a bit. But yeah, beautiful day today. It's good 17-18 degrees in the UK. Lovely summertime. The next video after I've spoken will be just the Rocksteady on the Osmo Action, so it won't be a time lapse. It'll just be the Rocksteady and just a normal video. I'll just slap some music in so it doesn't look too boring. What you've just seen was a time lapse from my house to the beach. You've seen a bit of drone footage, and you've also seen the active track on the drone. So basically I drew a little square around me and it tracked me. So yeah, anyway, see you later. Okay. I'm now gonna ride back home, but obviously you'll see this footage will be quite steady. It's quite a bumpy road, but see what the Rocksteady does. Alright, cool, let's go.